Okay. Go show Dad your new costume. Look at you. Your spider dog.
Amber, the UPS guy's here.
Oh shit. I've been waiting for this package. Hi. Oh. Oh, you can come in. Sure. Oh, I'll sign up the line. Thank you. Thank you.
Come here. Come here, pup. He's a thunderbird, isn't he? He's just backed up into a corner. Yeah.
Hey, Teddy. What are you thinking? Do you like your new Halloween costume? Hey, come here.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Picture. Yeah, get it there.
I took a video instead.
Isn't that great? But then soon she sits as a thing because she wants her treat. I'm right here. He's looking at the lights. What is that?
Good boy. Do you love it?
He's so cute.
Give me your paw. Good boy.
He's so cute.
Here. Keep your little hat on.
He's not happy at all with this. Bulldog is not happy with the outfit. He's like, what are you doing to me? I'm sorry. Reuben, I'm sorry.
Yeah, it is very appropriate for him. Good job.
No, shark attack. Shark attack.
Come here.
Go, go, go,
Shark
go. Get
attack.
her, Bubba, get her.
Did you run into the chair?
That's good. That's great. I'm so happy.
Hi, Jake. What do you think of your costume?
You don't like being a banana?
She's not gonna get any candy with that attitude.
Fix her ears.
She looks good enough to eat! There we go. You have to be the first one in line knocking on the door.
Hey, Katie. What are you wearing? You got your Wonder Woman outfit on. Look at you. Look at your cape. You're blowing in the wind. Here, Chloe.
Look around.
Really, get it, get it!
Henry, are you a taco? You're a cute taco. You're my favorite food. Here. Good boy. Delicious taco.
Pebbles, it's not that bad, honest. Look, it's not that bad. You look cute, you look adorable. Come on, show everybody. Just show everybody. Just do it once and be done.
Christina's here. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. 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 Christina's here. Come on. You feel so tired. Don't wake yourself up.
Sit. Ready, set, go.
Oh, Santa Claus!
Okay.
Kitty, kitty.
Go. Ah.
Kitty, kitty.
Go. Who's here?
Hey Duke, you like your Halloween costume? You're a banana split.